Hello. Oh, so I just got this delivered to me, BTS Memories of 2016, and of course I had to get right on to unboxing it. Okay, so here we go. We have the front and the back. Oh, it is a big one. Did not expect it to be this big this year. Ooh. Oh gosh. Okay, so we got a photo book. And oh, this is looking really good. Okay, sturdy box. Yep. Ooh. Let's take the photo book last. Look at this first. So front, back. We have the discs here. As you can see, the contents right here, as well as always listed down in the description. Ooh, here we have them. BTS and 16. Oh, okay, so let's see here. First disc. Oh, it says BTS Moments right there. Ooh. Okay, now that one first, yes. Oh. Gosh, they're stuck on there. Giving me a small heart attack here, okay? Oh, yeah. It's just sounds. It's no worries. Okay. Don't want anything to get damaged. No. Okay, so the photo book. Ooh, it is big. It is big. Okay, so front. Ooh. Glossy, and back, ooh, and the spine, yes. Here we go. Okay, chapter list. Here we go. With the voice. Oh my gosh. Oh, such nice pictures. Nice thick glossy pages. Oh, that's a nice book. Oh, hey! I got a unit pick with my 2 biases on it. That's just too awesome. Oh my gosh. Yay! I'm gonna start crying now. It's too early in the morning for this. Oh, I'm happy with whoever I get when it comes to BTS, but when you get your biases, it's just a little bit more extra. Oh, and Jin's adorable. Oh my gosh. Jimin, Suga. Oh, no, now I'm very happy. Oh. Oh, so many pictures. So many amazing memories. Yeah. I saw some really nice pictures. Oh. look in the crease there. There you go, Jin. Okay, just smiling makes me smile, yes. Oh. You can zoom in or you can walk up to the camera and look straight. Yeah, there are different ways. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. This amazingness of an album. Young Forever. Oh wow. Oh wow. Music video. The pictures are just downright amazing. They look so good here. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Feathery day. Okay, I can just like look at that for like half an hour. I need to move on. So many pictures here. Oh wow. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. I knew it. I knew it. He looks so fierce in those blue lenses, and oh, did I miss a page? No, I didn't. That would be a tragedy. No, can't miss a page. Oh my gosh. Oh, amazing pictures. The music video. This music video was just like the music aside, because oh wow, but just the images and just everything with that music video. It's just pure art. They are so beautiful in this. Everything is so beautiful. Oh, it's just, it's beautiful. Yeah. Just wow. Again, it's amazing. Oh. This belongs in an art gallery, just saying. Amazing. How many times have I said the same word now? Or just different word to say amazing, beautiful? Yeah. Gorgeous. We can throw that into, yeah. Just wow, just wow. Oh, nice. Get some August D. That smile though, that sneaky smile. I like it. Oh, and it's reached the end. Oh no. Okay, I am way too happy now. I haven't eaten breakfast. I got my package from FedEx and then I went straight to this and yeah, now I need to eat breakfast and edit this and upload this, of course, while I'm eating breakfast, probably. Yeah. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Bye.